Good morning, students of class 10. Welcome back to the online classes now. I hope you are going through the online portal every day so that you will not miss your classes. We are doing the thief story from supplementary reader. So now we are talking about Hari Singh, a young boy of 15 years, and Anil. And so far we have learned about Hari Singh was very clever, he was smart, but smart means in the sense that he was very clever to steal and deceive people. He worked for many people, but wherever he went, he stole, he deceived the owner, and he ran away. So here, the next new target, his new target is Anil. But Anil was quite easygoing, careless. He hardly made any money. There was no regular income, but still Anil kept him, helped him, and taught him how to read and write. That's why Hari Singh find it very difficult to rob Anil. So now, once he robbed Anil, a bundle of notes, somehow he managed to rob, and he decided to leave for Lucknow, and he went to the station. So the Lucknow Express was just moving out of the platform from the railway station. The Lucknow Express was just moving out of the platform. It had not gained any speed. It had not picked up the speed. It was moving very slowly, just crawling. Hari Singh should have been able to jump into one of the carriages, into one of the compartments. He could have easily entered the compartment because the train was moving very slowly. He could have entered easily, but he hesitated. He looked at the train, it was moving, and he hesitated. He could not understand why he stood there. He should have entered, but he could not understand or explain. But he hesitated. For some reason, he could not explain. For some reason, he could not explain why he was standing there hesitating instead of entering the Lucknow Express, because he had robbed Anil. He had 600 rupees in his waist tied to the string of pajama, trying with the. When the train had gone, he kept on looking. He did not boarded the train. He kept on looking. When the train had gone, he said, what did he say? I found myself standing alone on the deserted platform. When the train had gone, he said, I found myself alone. He had found himself. That means, I found myself alone, standing alone on the deserted platform. Deserted means empty. When all the passengers enters boards the train, when they board the train, naturally the platform remains empty. Very few people. So he was alone on the deserted platform. He could not understand why he has not entered or boarded the train. But somehow, some reason he could not explain. He hesitated. He again says, Hari Singh says, the young boy, I had no idea where to spend the night. He says, he had no idea where to spend his night. Not his night, spend the night. I had no friends, he says. He had no friends there. He never made friends because friends, they cause trouble. He will be caught. So I had no friends, he says. He had no friends. Believing that, he believed that friends were more trouble than help, because his profession was like that. He was a thief. And naturally, a thief, when he keeps a friend, naturally his cigarette will be exposed. So, because he is a thief, he deceives people, he robs people. That's why he never kept any friends. He never had any friends. He believes that having friends means more trouble than help. He said, The young boy, Hari Singh, said, if I stay in one of the hotels, he says if he stays in one of the hotels, people will be curious. Are such a young boy, he's staying in a hotel, from where he had come. He doesn't look like a rich man. Why he is staying in the hotel? And people will get surprised. They will be curious, wanted to know about the boy. That's why he could not stay in the hotel. If I stay in one of the hotel, people will be curious, he thought. The only person I knew, he says, the only person Hari Singh knew really was the man Anil. He had robbed. He said, I had robbed the person. Only that person I knew in this town, in this city. I know only one person. That person I had robbed. Now I cannot go to him again. I have robbed him. So where shall I put up for the night? Or where shall I stay at night? Leaving the station, thinking lot of things. He could not understand why he could not enter the carriages, why he did not board the train. Leaving the station, he walked slowly through the bazaar. He walked through aimlessly. He don't know where to go. He had no idea where to stay at night. So, walking aimlessly, he walked slowly through the bazaar. And in his sword carrier, or as a thief. Sword carrier means he is a thief, but not that expert. Very few years ago, he was a young boy. Now he is just 15 years old. Within a sword carrier as a thief, he had studied men's faces. He was very clever and smart. He had studied people's faces when they are robbed, or when their goods are stolen, or when they lost their goods. He had studied men's faces when they had lost goods or when they are robbed. The greedy man showed fear. When a greedy man loses money or when he is robbed, he shows fear that again the thief will come and rob my money. The greedy man shows fear. The rich man showed anger. The rich man showed anger in his face. Hari Singh had studied people's faces. And the greedy man showed fear. The rich man showed anger. The poor man showed acceptance. Oh, it's not in my luck, so let it go. Never mind. So the poor man showed acceptance. Accept means swikar, to accept. Oh, the money is not in my luck, so I have lost the money, or the money has been robbed. So what can I do? I can't do anything, let it happen. So the poor man showed acceptance. But for Anil, let's talk about Anil. But for Anil, he will not show, he will show sadness only. He will not show anger. He will not show fear. He will not show acceptance. But he will show the sadness, the feeling of sadness. Not for the money, but for the loss of trust. For the loss of. But Anil, he will show sadness. Hari Singh says, Anil will feel very sad. Not for the money, but for the loss of the trust. Not for the money, but for the loss of trust. He had trusted me. That's why he had given me the bunch of keys, the keys of the house. But now I have robbed him. He will feel very sad. Sad because he had loved me, he had taught me to become a good person, and most of all, he had believed, he had trusted. So, for the loss of trust, he will feel very sad. So, Hari Singh examined everyone's faces. Even he understood about Anil, what Anil will think, what will happen to Anil if he comes to know that his money had been robbed. So he knew the answer. Anil will feel sad because for the loss of trust. So till then, now in our next class we'll talk about something more. So that's all for today. Stay safe. Keep on studying through online portal at home. Do not waste your time. Be wise enough to use your time properly. And we'll meet tomorrow. That's all for today. Thank you very much for watching.